Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a logo and we're gonna add it to our website. It's gonna be a really cool tutorial since we're not gonna be using Photoshop. For those of you that don't have Photoshop, don't worry about it. We're gonna use something very simple, something free on the web, and you're gonna love this tutorial. For those of you that don't know how to navigate my videos, this is how you do it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, that way you can get an update on all the videos that I'm making every single day. All right. For those of you that click this thumbs up, thank you. For those of you that miss it, this is how you find it. All right, it's right in the bottom of the video. It really helps me a lot to see those likes out there. So help me out, and if you like my videos, like them, please. And for those of you that like them, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. All right. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to create a logo and add it to our website. So now that we are here in the back administration area, let me show you something. Let's go to the front of the site, and you're gonna see this title here, which is the logo is supposed to be here, and this is like a text logo, and then the tagline. I'm gonna show you exactly where this is located, so that way you know. Let's go back and let's go to general settings and general, and then here you see this demo site. This is the site title, and that's a clickable button there. So if I'm, for example, in the contact page and I click here, it takes me to the home page, right? Because there's a link. If you right click it, now before I show you that, let me just, this, the website boy is the man thing, is a tagline, and it's located right below the site title in settings in general. All right, so let's go back to it and let me show you. If you right click it and inspect element on it, if you do inspect element on it on Chrome, you can see that it's a H1 tag and it has a link in there. So that's why it goes to homepage, and it has some PHP in there. That's why it knows it's homepage. Um, and it's the same on every page. So now you see the size here that has a little yellow box there, 179 by 60 pixels. That's the size that we're going to be making our logo. All right. So now for those of you that don't have Photoshop, let me go ahead and try this new tool called Pixlr. It's not new, but it's new for me. And then don't go to the home page, go to the page editor there and create new page. We're going to make it 179. Actually, let's open an image from our computer. Let's do that, and I'll provide some of these images there for you to use it. All right, so I'll provide a sample image there so you can use it on the exercise files. In the bottom of this video you should have the link. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. You're probably not gonna have this whole big picture there. You're gonna have a smaller one that you can practice with, or maybe a bigger one so you can do some Pixlr stuff. It's up to you. I'll put something there so you can practice on it. So now this picture is too big. We got to make it smaller. So we're going to click Control T, and then we're going to drag these points all the way down. If you want to keep it proportional, try the shift key. You press it and then you drag it with your mouse. That way you can keep the proportion. All right. So we're gonna click away, and then we want to save changes. Yes. What I want to do, and then we click on V on the keyboard to move it. What I want to do is make this canvas smaller. Right now it's huge. Let's go to image. This is very much like Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, this is almost the same thing, all the same options. Canvas size, and then we're just gonna make this 179 by 60, and then okay. And our image is lost somewhere there. Let's just click it here. Let me just put it right here in the corner, and then go to canvas size and do the 179 again, and then okay, and there we go, we found it. Let's click on that Control T again, and let me just make it smaller, that way it's visible. Click away. Yes, let's just put it right here. Okay, and then what I want to do is I think this image has a white background. I'm not gonna bother bringing a clear background. I just want to show you how it's done. All right. I'll provide another image for you to put in here, play around with it if you want. Let's go to the A character here and just write whatever you want there. I'm just gonna write TWB. All right. I'm gonna move this box up here, and I want to change the wording, the font family. I think this is fine. Arial black. I always end up with Arial. I don't know why. And let's just make this TWB bigger. There we go. I think that's okay there. And final touch for this, I just want to make it white. Actually, yes. And then here, all we have to do is we're gonna write 6 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means white. And you could have just play around with these colors here, right? But whatever. I know how to do it with a hexadecimal. Click OK, click OK again, and we're set. Now we need to save this image. Let's go to File and Save. And then we need to save it as a transparent background. Now, keep in mind that my picture is gonna have like a white background, so it's not gonna look right. All right, but I'm gonna do it like this anyway, just to show you. But I will give you another image. If you download the exercise file, you will see a different one there. So click OK, and then I'm just gonna say computer programmer logo, computer programmer logo. All right, so now that we have that saved there, we go back to the site. Click this, and we are going to appearance, theme options, and then we go to the header, and then here we're going to have a custom logo field. We're going to click on this plus sign, and we're going to choose upload files, and then select files, and we're going to choose that file that we just saved, which is computer programmer right here. And we open it, and we select it again here, send option, and then we save, and then we check on our site and see how it looks. Refresh, and there you see we got the logo going on right here, but we have the little background problem there. But this background problem is because of the image had a little background square there. So this is how you are able to actually make a logo online by using this editor, which is really cool. All right, it's free, and it does very similar things like Photoshop. So if you just want a simple logo, you can make it here. There's a lot more stuff that you can make with this tool here. Okay, I just wanted to show you the simple things that you can do, and that way you don't have to spend a lot of money for a program out there like Photoshop. But um, so and then you can put the logo, whatever logo you want here. Okay, so this is how you make it. You make a custom logo, you put it into the site, and you can put the tagline, you can take it off however you want. But if you go to another page and you want to come back to the home page, a lot of people know that you just got to click on the logo and it takes them to home page. All right, so this is how you make a custom logo. Thank you so much for watching. Like it, share it, make a comment about it, give me some feedback, and again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.